Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your VW Atlas tire pressure. First, ensure all 4 tires are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. You can find this information on a sticker located on the driver's side door jamb. It's crucial to have the correct PSI in each tire before attempting the reset, as this ensures an accurate calibration of the system. Next, turn on your VW Atlas ignition, but do not start the engine. Once the infotainment system powers up, navigate to the main menu. Look for and select the car button or icon on the screen. This action will open a new menu with various vehicle settings, including those related to your tires. Within the car menu, you'll find an option labeled Tires or Tire Pressure. Select this to proceed. On the next screen, locate and choose the Set or Reset button for the tire pressure monitoring system. The system will then ask you to confirm your selection. Confirm the reset to complete the process. After confirming the reset, drive your VW Atlas for a short period, typically a few minutes. This allows the system to recalibrate and learn the new tire pressures. The tire pressure warning light on your dashboard should then turn off. If the light remains on, double-check all tire pressures and repeat the reset steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.